Hello students, welcome to Insights Again Initiative, and in today's class we are going to discuss about National Unity Day. By the way, to all of you, wish you happy National Unity Day, also known as Ekta Divas. Before we discuss about this issue in detail, first let us see the theme of the day. In today's theme of the day, we are going to discuss about the theme Parliament. From the theme Parliament, how and which topic you have to focus. You have to focus mainly on the areas such as functioning of Parliament, devices like motions, resolutions, etc., and the types of bills and how those bills will be passed. And mainly you have to know the difference between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in general, and in specific also you have to know, such as there are certain bills which can be start only in Rajya Sabha. Those things you have to know, and you have to also concentrate on certain issues such as in which condition bill will lapse and in which condition bill will not lapse, especially when Lok Sabha is dissolved. Apart from that, presiding officers, qualification and disqualification, such as Article 102 mainly disqualifications, various types of funds and parliamentary committees. Recently ethics committee in news in relation to Mahua Maitra incident. So you have to concentrate on the parliamentary committees as well. These are the areas we have to very well study on parliament, related to parliament in general. Okay. Now let us see some of MCQs related to parliament topic. The authorization for the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund of India must come from, so that means who must authorizes the withdrawal of funds from Consolidated Fund of India. So money from Consolidated Fund of India can be withdrawn only with the approval of Parliament. So answer must be B, the Parliament of India. So through this, here legislature will ensure the accountability of executive. Next question. Deadlock between the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha calls for a joint sitting of the Parliament during the passage of. That means in which of the following bills joint sitting can be possible? With respect to ordinary legislation, yes. With respect to money bill, no. Because with respect to money bill, Rajya Sabha enjoys only nominal powers, so joint sitting cannot be possible. And regarding the Constitution Amendment Bill also, joint sitting cannot be possible. Because Constitution Amendment Bill, it has to approved by both the houses independently with special majority. So these are the some of examples based on the topic of Indian Parliament. Now let us see today's topic, that is National Unity Day. So entire nation is observing National Unity Day in the memory of birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Of course, today unfortunately we lost our former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi as well. Okay, today Indira Gandhi death anniversary as well. So but our main area of today's topic is National Unity Day. First we will discuss why it is in news. It is in news because Government of India is observing Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary as National Unity Day because of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution in integration of India, and that is the reason he was popularly known as Iron Man of India. Then about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel life and in which moment Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel very important role, then integration of the princely states, why National Unity Day is celebrating, from when it is celebrating, and finally at the end of the video we will discuss about the Statue of Unity and some of special features regarding the Statue of Unity. Now let us see. In UPSC point of view, this particular topic is related to Gender Studies paper 1, that is Modern Indian History, as in that particular subject it is mainly related to important personalities. And meanwhile, anyhow I will tell this answer, meanwhile try to find out the answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel acted as chairman of which committees in Constituent Assembly? You know that in Constituent Assembly we enacted various committees. Out of those committees, which committees Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel acted as the chairman? Why it is in news? National Unity Day 2023 is celebrated to remember Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel birth anniversary. Which birth anniversary we are remembering? 148th birth anniversary we are remembering. You know, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is one of the main leader regarding the extremist phase. In the extremist phase, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bipin Chandra Pal and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These are the three leaders. Actually, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel acquainted to Gandhiji. He got introduced to Gandhiji in Kheda Satyagraha, which was happened in 1918. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played very important role in Kheda Satyagraha. During that time, for his contribution, local women called him, not the Kheda Satyagraha, of course in the Badoli Satyagraha, local women called him as a Sardar. Later, Sardar became title to his name. Okay. Now, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875, Nadiad, Gujarat. He was the first Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of India. Okay. Of course, as a capacity of Home Minister, he played very crucial role in the integration of princely states into India. He reorganized, he reorganized India into, unified India. For this effort, he was recognized as real unifier of India, and he made India as a united and independent nation. He requested the people to live together by uniting in order to create Shresth Bharat. That means India ahead of all the nations, foremost Bharat. This ideology is still adapted by Government of India in the form of Atmanirbhar Bharat, which seeks India self-reliant. Okay. So, especially this was much encouraged after the COVID pandemic, because during the COVID pandemic, it exposed how much we dependent, especially in terms of electronics chip manufacturing as well as in the pharma in other countries, okay, especially in a country like China. He remembered as patron saint of India's civil servants because he considered as the father of modern Indian civil services. Now, meanwhile, tell me students, which English Governor General considered as father of civil services? Okay, put your answer in the comment section. Role in framing of Indian Constitution. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel acted as chairman of the following committees. You know that in Constituent Assembly we have major committees as well as the minor committees. Following major committees led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. They are Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights. Of course, this Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights, it also consists of various subcommittees. The Subcommittee on Fundamental Rights, it was led by J.B. Kripalani. And Committee on Minorities and Tribal and Excluded Areas. This excluded areas includes Northeast part and a Provincial Constitution Committee. These are the three committees mainly led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel contribution to the social reforms. He fought against alcohol consumption, against untouchability, caste discrimination, and he promoted the women emancipation, that means empowerment in the area in Gujarat and outside of the Gujarat as well. He integrated farmers' cause such as Kheda Satyagraha, Badauli Satyagraha into Indian national movement. That means his main idea was we cannot separate Indian national movement from the farmer cause. So he integrated the farmer cause into the Indian national movement. In the same way, how we integrated the Muslims cause into the Indian national movement in the form of integration of, in 1919 and 1920, Khilafat movement was integrated. Yeah, that was also one form of integration of Muslims cause into Indian national movement as well. Sardar title for his participation in the Badauli Satyagraha, the local women, they bestowed this title Sardar on Vallabhbhai Patel, which means chief or a leader. He was imprisoned in 1930 for his participation in the Salt Satyagraha. You know that in 1929 INC Lahore session, they finalized, they made a resolution regarding the Purna Swaraj. In response to that, in 1930 Gandhiji started the Salt Satyagraha from this Sabarmati to Dandi. By participating that, he was being arrested and imprisoned. In 1931 session, the Karachi session, which ratified the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, that Karachi session was led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. You know that after the Gandhi-Irwin Pact, Gandhiji agreed to participate in the Roundtable Conference. Based on that, Gandhiji participated in the second Roundtable Conference. So, out of the three Roundtable Conferences, Gandhiji participated only one conference, that was the second Roundtable Conference. Gandhiji played very important role in the integration of 565 princely states into Indian Union. Okay. By that way, by ensuring the integration of princely states into India, he was able to stop, or he was ensured the integration of nation, as well as he prevented the balkanization of India. Balkanization of a particular country means breaking away of particular nation into very small countries. Few princely states such as Travancore, Hyderabad, Junagadh, Bhopal and Kashmir, they were kind of not easily able to join with India. They were quite reluctant to join with India. Because of that, with respect to few princely states, even we use the police force as well. Regarding the Hyderabad, especially police force, popularly known as Operation Polu. In Junagadh, Government of India conducted the plebiscite where majority number of people they inclined to join with India. He was popularly known as Iron Man of India for his role in unification and integration of Indian princely states into Indian Union. So, why National Unity Day is celebrating? obviously because of his contribution in the unification of the country, unification of nation. This National Unity Day, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas, and the reason behind celebrating this day is to make people aware about ideas of staying together and uplifting the society. Actually, the observation of this particular day, it was started in 2014. In 2018, Government of India unveiled Statue of Unity in Gujarat as a memory of 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Patel. Now let's see some of the features of this statue. The Statue of Unity is one of the tallest statue in the world. At 182 meters, it is 23 meters taller than the China's Spring Temple Buddha and almost double the height of Statue of Liberty. You know that Statue of Liberty was given as a gift by France to USA. In 2020, this particular Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, that Unity, the Statue of Unity, it was added as 8 wonders of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. You should remember that this year India is hosted the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Tell me students, which country recently added into Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Now let's see yesterday's video question. Among the following, which one is the largest exporter of rice in world in last 5 years? Largest rice exporter, obviously India. Now let's see today's video question. Today's video question is, for the Karachi session of Indian National Congress in 1931, presided over by Sardar Patel, who drafted the resolution on fundamental rights and economic program? Very, very important. Who drafted this particular one? Mains question. Elucidates the role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in integration of princely states in India. What was his role? This is the mains question. Now, as we reach to the end of this video, we will do some quick recap. In this particular video, we discussed about theme of the day. Apart from that, National Unity Day. As a part of that, we discussed about early life of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel role in Indian national movement, and we discussed about Statue of Unity and speciality of the Statue of Unity. This is the detailed analysis regarding the National Integration Day. Thank you.